there definitely is a cost of putting plants in pots. But why do I think it's important to garden? Well, one reason is it motivates me to go outside. And so I want to talk about that a little bit. So I can't do things like this in augmented reality. I go out here to my garden and I have started putting my finger down in the soil to make sure I'm not putting too much water in my pot. So I do things like that. I'll look at my tomatoes and I'm looking like at the string I put on there and making sure that my tomatoes aren't hurting too much from the tomato cage, and I probably need to put some more string on that. I look at things like this. I come over here to look at this tomato and I'm like, whoa, look at that. It's red. But then what's in the bottom of this? I don't know what's happening, but it's red. And I look at that. I come over here to my fig tree that I just put in this pot. I'm like, okay, am I growing it right? Is the string on there right for it, or am I strangling it? Is it going to grow okay? I look at this one as well. I'm looking at both of them. So I'm looking at things in my pots, and I do that as I'm outside and I get the fresh air and sunshine. And the question is, the real question I need to ask myself is, if I was just inside on my computer, what would be the cost to my health if I do that? Would I be doing that at the expense of my health if I'm not outside?